Okay, Emma, let's start simple. How can we say what we like to do?
Good question. You can say, I like, plus the activity.
For example, I like reading. I like cooking. I like playing football.
Yes. And if you really like something, you can say, I love, plus the activity.
Like, I love traveling. Or, I love listening to music.
Exactly. And here's another one. I enjoy, plus the activity. For example, I enjoy painting, or I enjoy swimming.
Let's say them together. Repeat after us, slowly and clearly. I like reading. I love reading. I enjoy reading.
Nice job. Remember, these are all simple ways to talk about what makes you happy.
Now, let's have some fun American versus British English.
Oh yes, this is my favorite part. Jake, tell them how you say things in the US.
Sure. In the US, we say movies, but in the UK, Emma says,
Films, that's right. American, I like watching movies. British, I like watching films.
here's another one. American, I play soccer. British, I play football.
Laughs. Yes, we call it football, not soccer.
Okay, another one. American, I like going on vacation. British, I like going on holiday.
Say, sama idea, different words.
Let's do a quick mini quiz. I'll say an American word, and you guess the British one. Ready?
Let's go.
Truck, in America. What is it in British English?
That's lorry.
2. Apartment.
Flat.
3. Cookie.
Biscuit.
Laughs. You got it.
Now you try repeat after us. I like eating cookies. American. I like eating biscuits. British. Slowly repeated to X.
Perfect. You're learning both American and British English. Double the fun.
Now let's listen to a short, natural conversation between Jake and me.
Okay, Emma. What do you like to do in your free time?
I like reading books and drinking tea. Very British, right? Laughs.
Yeah, I like going to the gym and watching movies.
Oh, nice. What kind of movies do you like?
I love action movies, with superheroes and big explosions.
Ah, I prefer romantic films. Smiles.
Of course you do.
Laughs. What about you, our viewers? What do you like to do? Think for a moment and say it out loud.
Yes, let's practice together. I like, I love, I enjoy.
Try it 3 times with your favorite activities.
Let's work on pronunciation, the word like. Repeat after me. Like divided by like.
Good. And the word enjoy, enjoy. Say it slowly, enjoy.
Now, let's practice full sentences. I like cooking. I love cooking. I enjoy cooking.
Say each one slowly and clearly. Remember, your mouth opens wide for like laika.
And enjoy has 2 parts. And enjoy. Smile when you say joy.
Laughs. Yes, English is more fun when you smile.
Okay, Emma, how about a little story?
Oh, yes. Here's a short one. Let's call it the lazy Sunday.
Laughs. Sounds like me.
Last Sunday, Jake wanted to relax. He said, I like sleeping late on Sundays.
That's true. But my friend called me and said, let's go hiking.
And you said?
I said, no, I like sleeping. Laughs.
Laughs. Then his friend brought coffee and said, I know you love coffee.
And I said, okay, I enjoy hiking. Sometimes.
Laughs. So you see, you can use like love and enjoy to show how much you like something.
Exactly. Try to use these in your own story.
Let's play a quick like or love game. I'll say a sentence and you say like or love. Ready?
Here we go.
I, pizza.
Laughs. I love pizza.
Good. I, cleaning my room.
I don't like cleaning my room.
Right. I, listening to music.
I love listening to music.
Good job, everyone.
Let's review what we learned today.
We learned how to talk about what you like to do. I like, I love, I enjoy.
We also learned some American versus British words, like movie divided by film, vacation divided by holiday, cookie divided by biscuit, soccer divided by football.
And we practice pronunciation like, enjoy.
Now, a quick quiz. I'll say a sentence, and you fill in the missing word. I. Watching movies. I. Traveling. I. Painting.
The answers are like, love, enjoy. Well done.
Great job, everyone. You learned how to talk about what you like, and even some American and British English differences.
You're doing amazing. Keep practicing every day, even for 5 minutes.
Now, it's your turn. Write in the comments. What do you like to do in your free time?
We'll read your answers in the next episode.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this podcast with your friends.
See you next time on Mr. English Podcast. Bye for now.
Bye-bye, everyone.